Sex. Guys, you must have seen वो बड़े बड़े posters जहाँ पे लिखा होता है ना बड़ा बड़ा sex, and उसके बाद नीचे लिखा होता है now that I have your attention, maybe eat less. I mean, so stupid, right? Now this has nothing related to do with that. I'm actually going to tell you that can sex be considered as exercise or not? Well, if you do it right, it can maybe. It's going to be a really interesting one, guys. Trust me. Jokes apart, let's just actually think for a moment. If you're someone who's having sex on a regular basis, lucky bastard, should you even consider going for that morning jog? Or maybe just jog on the bed, if you know what I mean. Now let's talk numbers. No, I'm not talking about 69, guys, please. So guys, there was this study which monitored blood pressure and the heart rate of a standard treadmill test and usual sexual activity between familiar partners. All the sex acts were concluded with a male orgasm and a vaginal intercourse. Too many jokes, can't take it anymore, that's what she said. Usual sexual activity, boring. Male orgasm, vaginal intercourse. हमसे तो उम्मीद ही नहीं है दुनिया में किसी को. Disappointingly, the treadmill proved to be more strenuous. So, on a scale of 6 to 9, there is no such scale like this, man. What is wrong with you? So, on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the highest, sexual activity was rated as 2.7 and the treadmill test was actually rated at 4.6. This was for men. For women, it was even less strenuous. I should state that all men and women in this test were around the age of 55. But don't worry, if you're someone younger, you'll surely get an answer at the end of this video. So I was generally doing my research on the topic and I just came across a line. Men seem to spend more time thinking and talking about sex rather than on the act itself. Ladies, do you agree with that? So basically, during sexual intercourse, a man's heart rate rarely goes above 130 beats per minute. This is like playing a casual ping pong game, and by any means there is no pun intended in that. For someone around the 55 age bracket, the total calories burnt per minute during sex is around 5. If you're someone younger, I'm pretty sure those calories would be way lower than you're expecting. Also take note that 70% of the men in this particular study had some kind of a cardiovascular disease, had beta blockers, or maybe had some issues with stress. So your caloric burn would be much lower than 5 calories per minute. That is if you're having conventional sex. Now by any means, guys, I'm not telling you to do weird stuff to your partner, or maybe just do it if you're into it. You're into it. You see, I'm on fire. But the more important question is, does sex hit the G spot? What? Gains spot. Well, only if you do arm wraps. Yeah, man. I mean, if you do as many rounds as possible, you're almost as close to dying and you might just boost on that existing stamina. Interesting shit, guys. Disclaimer, please don't blame me if you die. Guys, to conclude, I'd just like to say if you're someone younger than 55, then probably replacing your workout session with sex is not a good option. Maybe a warm-up though. Even if, say, you're above 55, it's actually a good thing because it not being such a strenuous exercise is actually good for you because you can still continue to have sex without you maybe having a heart attack in bed. Although that number is very low and highly unlikely to happen, if I had to state the number, it's 2 deaths per million, considering the worst case scenario. But I'm just putting it out in the open. Well, I personally think sex should just be thought of as sex. It shouldn't be considered as an exercise because I don't want my partner yelling right on my face, 3 more reps, you got this. Well, maybe if you're into this kind of stuff, go for it, yaar. See, the human body is capable of moving in all planes and directions, and sex is just one way the body moves. Now, did I just make sex boring for you guys? Nah, you can never make sex boring. And guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see future videos. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see some specific kind of videos. Keep on showering your love. Keep on humping if that makes any sense. And obviously, stay fit, stay positive, stay healthy. Take care. Peace.